Hey you guys, I told y'all I was gonna try to do some more videos as I go. I just got home from church not too long ago. And while at church, my husband texted me and told me that two of my Temu orders came in. So we're fixing to open the first package. I'm gonna do the smaller one first. This is the small one. So we're going to bust into this one first, and then I'll get into the other one. Hey, I might not need the scissors for this. Okay. This, I do an outside flea market toy show, and I usually bring my canopy. So I can actually hang this across the canopy to hang like purses up, stuffed animals, you know, stuff like that. It'll just help hang stuff up. And so that's what that is. Alright. Here, I think these are going to be perfect if you don't want to go out and spend a ton of money on rain boots. Go to Temu and look up these. These slide on your shoe. You can even they've got a drawstring to, you know, tighten it around your ankle. You just have to push the button. It's even a zipper, so it's easier to get your shoe in. But instead of going out there and buying a ton of rain boots, give these a try. They might, you know, it would save your shoes from wear and tear. And that way you don't have to constantly walk around in your rain boots. Because trust me, I've got a pair of rain boots that I won off that site, the Going Gone site. They're comfortable and everything, but once you have been in them for a while, you kind of want to go back to tennis shoes after it stops raining. But that's that. Okay, now to see what... I will need my scissors. Handy dandy scissors. There we go. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. I know why they, okay. This is the heart-shaped one, and I really wanted to get it. They need to make the peels a little bit easier to peel. Anyways, this is a heart shape piggy bank. You have the glass. The way you get into it is these 4 little screws. That's the only way you can get into it. But the little money catcher is right there. But it's heart shaped for Valentine's Day. And just to show y'all that I actually have purchased one before. This is my J. It's even got my name on it. But, and yes, that is all quarters. And it's got a little weight to it. But yes, it's full. Me and my husband are saving up so we can actually have enough money to go to MFM this year. So, and I thought the heart one was just cute. So, it's just another piggy bank to go in my collection. Because Baby Yoda over here is kind of getting full. But I'm going to set this right up here. Hopefully it does not knock my phone off. Oh, please don't. Alright, straighten the phone back up. Alright, and Last, we have, I will call whoever that is back in a minute. Like I always said, check your bags thoroughly. Check the bag thoroughly. It's like I was telling somebody one time, and I think I know why they use the plastic better than the boxes, because they would probably have to charge you more. So, yeah, I can deal with the plastic, that's for sure. Not a problem. Okay, Mama Liz needed rain boots or rain cover shoes and a raincoat. They had one. So, and she's going to be so excited that it came in. It's even got rain guards. I don't know where these I don't know how this works. Let's see, I cannot read Chinese. So, yeah, reading that is a no-go. I do think it's a rain guard for the hood of the jacket. But this is a big raincoat. A very nice raincoat. Yeah, I think I don't know. Oh. I'm trying to figure it out why. Well, Butterfingers. I'm probably going to have to get my husband to help me with this. Like, majorly big time. Wait a minute. I think I just figured it out. Okay. So it's... Alright. And then you come in with this one. And it makes a whole shield. Well, this way you're not getting water in your mouth, you know, rainwater in your mouth or something like that. But that's how it looks. But this one wants to keep folding up that way, so she might use it and she might not. I don't know. But she's got her raincoat and her little rain booties now, so she's going to be happy. Alright. And see, even the heart piggy bank came with letters. So I'll be able to put a saying on there or something. Alright. Set that there. These back over here. And as always, thank you for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. It helps me build profile and stuff like that. And like I said, comment down below what you would like to see, or like, you know, something that I have. And remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.